Hello everyone. In today's class, let us continue the discussion of evaluating triple integral. The first problem is evaluate triple integral of 1 by x plus y plus z plus 1 whole cube dx dy dz over the region R, where R is the region bounded by the coordinate planes and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 1. Right? So over this region we have to find. Now, see, so they had given the region R is the region bounded by the coordinate planes and the plane x plus y plus z equal to 1. Okay. Now, see, here, if you send x plus y to that side, your z will be equal to 1 minus xy. Your z will be equal to what? 1 minus xy. And remember, your region R is bounded by the coordinate planes. So, it is z-axis, x-axis, as well as y-axis. Okay. So, here z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 means it will be on xy plane. So, your minimum value for z is 0. ಹಾಗೆ z ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus x minus y ವರೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್. ಈ z 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 minus x minus y ವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ z ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ x plus y equal to 1. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x plus y equal to 1. x plus y equal to 1 ಆದ್ರೆ y ಏನಿದ್ರಿಂದ 1 minus x. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಶುರುವಾಗೋದು 0 ಇಂದ 1 minus x ವರೆಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗೆ x ದ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ y ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಡಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ y ಗೆ z ಗೆ 0 ಜೊತೆಗೆ y ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x equal to 1 ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲಿ x ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ z varies from where to where? 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Y varies from where to where? 0 to 1 minus x. And x varies from 0 to 1. ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೊದಲು z ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. z ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ y ರೀಸನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. y ಮತ್ತೆ z ಎರಡನ್ನು 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ you can find the limit for these three variables. ಈಗ so region R ನಲ್ಲಿ x varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 0 to 1 minus x, and z varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y of this function. Have you understood how I got the limit? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಉಳಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ? ನೋಡಿ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x ಗೆ 0 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, y ಗೆ 0 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, z ಗೆ 0 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಪ್ಲಸ್ z ವರೆಗೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೈನ್, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ z equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus x minus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ z ನ 0 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಗ y equal to 1 minus x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. y ಮತ್ತೆ z ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ you'll get the limit for x, y, z. Now first you have to integrate with respect to z. When you are integrating with respect to z, your x and y are constants. So let us send this one to numerator. ಇದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಗ x plus y plus z plus 1 whole to the power of minus 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x, y, 1 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ax plus b ತರ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ z ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ z to the power of minus 3? ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ z to the power of minus 3 ಇದು?
So z to the power of minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1.
-3 + 1 ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ z ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. z ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ax + b ತರ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ z to the power of -3 + 1 divided by -3 + 1 multiplied by z ದು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? z ದು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ 1.
ಸೊ 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡುದು. ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ax + b is ಏನು? ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ax + b ax + b ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ n. ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ? ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ax + b ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ n + 1 divided by n + 1 into coefficient of x, that is a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು z ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ z to the power of n ತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, this term to the power of n + 1, that is -3 + 1 divided by -3 + 1 multiplied by coefficient of z is 1. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. and the limit is from 0 to 1 - x - y into dy dx. Now ಈಗ -3 + 1 is -2, so let me send that one outside, so you'll get -1/2 outside, and the limit is from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1 - x. ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ z ಗೆ, x + y, right? z is 1 - x - y plus 1 to the power of -2 minus lower limit 0 ಕೊಡಿ z ಗೆ, x + y plus 0 plus 1 to the power of -2 into dy dx. Now here -x plus x gets cancels, plus y minus y gets cancels. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 to the power of -2 minus x plus y plus 1 whole to the power of -2 into dy dx. Now let us integrate this with respect to y. When you are integrating with respect to y, your x is constant. So let me keep this -1/2, 1 by limit is from 0 to 1 as it is. Then 2 to the power of -2 is 1/2 square, that is 1/4, and limit of 1 is y. So you'll get y here minus, again you assume this is of the form y to the power of n. So integration of this is y to the power of n plus 1, that is -2 plus 1 divided by -2 plus 1 and multiplied by coefficient of y is 1, and the limit is from 0 to 1 - x into dx. Okay, now apply the limits. 1/4 into, if you apply upper limit you will get 1 - x minus lower limit 0, -2 plus 1 is -1, minus into minus becomes plus, x plus y is 1 - x plus 1 to the power of -1 minus lower limit 0, you'll get x plus 1 whole to the power of -1. Now if you simplify this, ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you'll get 1/4 into 1 - x plus 2 to the power of -1 is 1/2 minus x plus 1 whole to the power of -1 is 1/x plus 1. Now this is an ordinary definite integral, and you integrate this with respect to x. 1/4 into, again it is of the form ax plus b, because power of x is 1. So what is integration of this? 1 minus x whole to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by 2 into coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is -1, so multiplied by -1 plus 2 to the power of -1 is constant. Integration of 1 is x minus integral of 1 by x plus 1 is log of x plus 1, and the limit is from 0 to 1. Now you apply the limits. -1/2 remains outside. 1/4 into 2 is 1 minus 1/8. If you apply upper limit, you will get 1 minus 1 whole square, which is 0, minus, if you put lower limit, you will get 1 minus 0 whole square, plus 2 to the power of -1 is 1/2 into upper limit is 1 minus lower limit is 0, minus of upper limit 1, so you'll get log of 1 plus 1, minus lower limit is 0, so you'll get log of 1 plus 0. Now this is 1 minus 1 is 0, and here you will get -1. -1 into -1/8 is plus 1/8, and plus 1/2 here, minus log of 2, and this is log 1. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. So simply you'll get this. Now take LCM and simplify. You'll get 8 log 2 minus 5 divided by 16. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So taking the limit is very important in the problems of this form, where the region will be bounded by some curves, right? You have to be very careful while choosing the region. Now see the next one. Evaluate triple integral of xyz dx dy dz over the region R, where R is the positive octant of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. So you know that we can divide the 3D space into 8 octants, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in that, we need to choose positive octant. We need to choose only positive octant, means all are positive. That is, x is positive, y is positive, z is positive. So your x starts from where? X ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ? ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಇದರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ now let's come back here. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, very easy to find. As I said, your z starts from 0. Okay, so we got initial point, initial limit for z. What about final limit? Use the given equation, x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. Therefore from this, z square is a square minus x square minus y square. Therefore z is square root of a square minus x square minus y square. Because we are considering z is in the positive octant, we cannot consider negative, we have to consider only positive. ಈಗ z ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ x square plus y square equal to a square will be a circle. Then y ಗೆ initial limit ಗೊತ್ತು 0. Then from this, what is your y? Square root of this should be a square minus x square. This should be a square minus x square. You will get y equal to limit. Limit for y is from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. ಈಗ y ಮತ್ತು z ಎರಡನ್ನೂ 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, you will get the limit for x. That is, x square will be equal to a square. Therefore x will be equal to a. Hence in the region R, your z varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square minus y square, and y varies from 0 to square root of 1 minus that is a square minus x square, not 1. Okay, and x varies from 0 to a. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square, and z varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square minus y square of xyz dz dy dx. You know that when you are integrating with respect to z, your x and y are constant, so keep xy with dy dx. Now integration of z is z square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to square root of a square minus x square minus y square. Now here 1 by 2 comes out. Apply the limit. xy is constant, that remains as it is. So square root of a square minus x square, a square minus x square minus y square whole square minus lower limit 0, 0 square. Now square root cancels. So you'll get xy into this. Now multiply this. Xy into a square minus xy into x square is x cube y minus xy into y square is xy cube of dy dx. Now we need to integrate this with respect to y. And you know that when you are integrating with respect to y, your x should be constant. So here a square x is constant. Therefore integration of y is y square by 2 minus x cube is constant, and integration of y is y square by 2 minus x into integration of y cube is y to the power of 4 by 4, and the limit is from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Now apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. A square x by 2 into, now square root of a square minus x square whole square minus 0 square minus x cube by 2 into square root of a square minus x square whole square minus 0 square minus x by 4 into square root of a square minus x square whole to the power of 4 minus 0. Now here square root cancels. Here also square root cancels, and here square root and square get cancels, and one more square will remain. So you'll get a square minus x square whole square. Now multiply and simplify, you'll get this much. Now this is a ordinary definite integral with respect to x. Now easily integrate this. A to the power of 4 by 4 is constant, and integral of x is x square by 2, minus a square by 2 is constant, integral of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4, plus 1 by 4 is constant, and integral of x to the power of 5 is x to the power of 6 by 6, and the limit is from 0 to a. Apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. A to the power of 4 by 8 into a square minus 0 minus a square by 8 into a to the power of 4 minus 0 plus 1 by 24 into a to the power of 6 minus 0. Now this will give you a to the power of 6 by 8 minus a to the power of 6 by 8 plus a to the power of 6 by 24 multiplied by 1 by 2. These two get cancels, and you're left out with a to the power of 6 by 48. That is the required answer. Have you understood? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see the next problem. Here they are given the triple integral over the cube, where cube is given by minimum value for x is 0 and maximum value 1. Minimum value for y is 0 and maximum is 1, and z is from 0 to 1. Straight away they have given the limit. Use that limit and solve it. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೇಳಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Yes. Yes, sir. ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ over the region R, where R is given by 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square, and z varies from 0 to x plus y. Had they given limits or not? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೇ?
Yes, sir.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೊದಲು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಡಿ ಝೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲು? ಝೆಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೈ,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೈ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೈ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಝೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಇದರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ.